Superfoods for kidney health. Hello everyone, welcome back to SF Healthcare. Today's video is all about taking care of your kidneys through proper nutrition. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are loaded with vitamins A and C. These peppers aid in boosting the immune system and reducing oxidative stress. And yes, they're also low in potassium, that's why good for kidney health. Cabbage. Let's talk about cabbage. It's low in potassium and provides an array of vitamins and minerals. Incorporate cabbage into your diet through salads, stir-fries, or even cabbage wraps. Cranberries. Cranberries are known for their urinary tract benefits. Cranberries may also contribute to kidney health and helps in curing urinary tract infection. Enjoy them as juice or dried snacks. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile veggie that's low in potassium and high in fiber. It's a great alternative to higher potassium foods like potatoes. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these fish can reduce inflammation and promote heart and kidney health. Garlic. Garlic not only adds flavor to your meals but also offers potential kidney benefits. Its antioxidants may help protect against kidney damage. So, don't hold back on using garlic in your cooking. Apples. An apple a day truly can support your kidney health. Apples are low in potassium and high in fiber. Enjoy them sliced as a snack or diced into a kidney-friendly fruit salad. Olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can be a staple in your kidney-friendly diet. Its monounsaturated fats are heart-healthy and can be used in cooking or drizzled over salads. Egg whites. For a protein boost without the phosphorus, turn to egg whites. They're a smart choice for maintaining muscle mass while keeping your kidney health in mind. Incorporate eggs into your diet, either scrambled or fried. Berries. Berries like strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. They're perfect for adding a burst of flavor to your morning yogurt or oatmeal. Pineapple. Pineapple offers a tropical twist to your kidney-friendly menu. It contains bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit your kidneys. There you have superfoods that can make a positive impact on your kidney health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to SF Healthcare, and share it with others who might benefit.